Hello, welcome everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So this is my Rav4 2017 and I recently replaced this head unit, or you can say this stereo, from the factory to this one that is available in the market. So I bought this from the Amazon. This is the device from the Ainavi, and yeah, I will just show you how this will look like. So I just did a start and it just start up real quick. So previously I left this in the AC mode, so it's showing up like this. So you can see the controls work with this AC as well. So if I turn this on, then these numbers that are working, also these buttons, if I change, is working. The fan speeds are working right here, you can see in the top. So if I do down, then it's working, synchronized properly. And then yeah, this is about the AC. And then you can watch videos, listen to music, you can connect to CarPlay. So the best thing I like about is I do not even need a mobile, so I download the offline map from here. So this is the built-in map. This is available in the device. Okay, looks like I downloaded something, but it's not showing up. So like, let's say if I do anything, I can do a direction. So right now I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, by the way, but I think I did downloaded some offline Wi-Fi as well. And then I can use the Netflix, as you guess. So I can use switch profile, watch any shows I like, like this. So display it, and then okay, so this is how I play to the full screen. Okay, and then I can watch YouTube, anything I like. And then I can go back. Then I can also get the card information, like the tire information, the tire pressure. So left tires and the right tires. And here I can see the vehicle settings. These are usually available in the factory as well, so all of these settings are also available here. So I will turn this on. Pretty much everything you can configure. Yeah, pretty good. Also the steering wheel buttons work. I can dial from here, I can change the music from here, I can change the mode from here. Yeah, so it's in the mode. And then so only not working is this voice button from here, but other than that it's all working from the steering wheel. For the voice button, if I connect to this Android Auto or the CarPlay in the iOS,